Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on replacing the headlight bulb. This is a little dielectric grease, and this is the bulb on my Volvo XC70. As you guys can see, that the passenger side headlight is the low beam. This is just low beams. Is working correctly, and then you can obviously see that this one is L. So it's just a bulb. This is the low beam replacement. The bulb for the high beam is different. So if you go to a parts store, make sure you distinguish and get the high beam bulb. The high beam bulb for the XC70 has like a socket on it. It's like built in that you plug into the electrical connector, and this one's just basically the bulb. So we're gonna get right into it. So first step, we already popped the hood from the inside, and you're gonna want to pop the hood and then turn off the car, but we just have it on right now, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. Okay guys, I turned off the car here. So first thing you're gonna do is, if camera can show it, kind of there's this cover here. It's kind of like a half circle, and you're gonna just kind of reach in there. I don't know if I can do this.
Twist it counterclockwise a little bit and pull it straight off.
Which way?
Counterclockwise. It should pull straight off. It's a little bit of a pain.
Oh, okay. It's loose. My hands are a little big in here. Cameron's fit better. You guys can see it come off. This is what it looks like.
As you can see on the top, it actually gives directions. Like lock, unlock.
So there's the bottom, so it goes on like that, and then you go like this. So yeah, we'll just set this off to the side, don't lose that. And then,
This one's a little harder to see, but there's a little spring on a hook that you have to get out of the way. And then there's two little connectors you have to put on the bulb.
you're talking about that thing?
No, here.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. So I'm gonna try to just kind of feel around. Oh, kind of feel the spring. May have. This is really hard to show on camera, guys. This is like, Cameron's gonna give it back.
All right, as you can see down there, this little metal piece goes behind that little hook right there.
So push
So
that out
that,
of the way.
this
You guys can see the bulb is kind of moving.
This bulb's loose, and then this little spring on top of it has to go back behind that little hook down there when it goes back in. And then just those two little connectors on the power and ground or whatever of the battery, or of the bulb, and then that's it. So we're gonna pull that out. So go ahead. Very careful with those connectors.
Okay, so this is the old bulb. You guys can see it's kind of damaged. And then this one is actually connected. You can see that little spring, the filament. We already kind of scratched the tip of this. Great.
Who cares?
Whatever. And these bulbs are kind of expensive. This one was like $22 for one. You can buy a 2-pack for like 38 bucks. But so when you put it back in, this little nub goes like this, or it goes like this when you put the bulb in, like this, into the socket. And then
Just facing downward.
we forgot whether the green, or it shouldn't matter, because it's just it's like a power and a ground. I don't know. So yeah, just reconnect connectors. I'm pretty sure the green was on top. This is really, really delicate. Make sure not to break connectors. Sorry guys, this is just ugly to look at, filming wise. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, connectors are on. Now, you're gonna wanna push the bulb back into the hole. Can you move your hand, Cameron? Thank you. Then you're gonna want to bring the spring. So the spring has, this is very hard to explain. When you see it, you'll know. Basically, it mounts in at the bottom at these two little pinholes, and then the top is what Cameron unhooked earlier. So you just need to put the spring back into its mount, and then wow, I cannot see anything. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, that was pretty difficult if you don't have really small hands. But you just kind of need to be able to see. I recommend using a little flashlight. So we still have to put the cover on, but we got it in there. We basically squeezed the spring so it went into its little holes, and then you just push it back up and then retain the bulb. And I'll show you guys. It does work. So yeah, you're just going to put the cover back on with the flat side, this thing up. So I'm going to try to do that. That's how I had it, and then didn't want to go all the way. Oh no, there you go.
No, that's it.
Okay, awesome. So yeah, that's
There's three sections, and you have to, when you put it on, you have to twist it back, put it on, and then twist it forward, and you have to make sure all three points are engaged.
Yeah, so just
Otherwise,
kinda,
it's not going to seal
grab
right.
it and make sure it's on there all the way. So yeah, that's everything you guys need to do to replace a headlight bulb on this thing, and it works. So thank you guys for checking it out. It's pretty easy, no tools required.
No tools.
And yeah, if you guys want to check out our other Volvo videos on the channel, we have plenty of them on this car. It's been a great car, and we'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe.